We evaluated Evolv against a couple other solutions and really loved how fast and how safe fans got into the stadium. We're down to about 6 to 7 minutes maximum wait time. The express access lanes, if you're enrolled in the facial authentication, it's less than 60 seconds.
There was something to see, and then I didn't understand just how quickly we cleared the gates until a day or two later when I pulled the report. My mind was blown by the numbers that I saw.
I would say the transition from traditional magnetometers or metal detectors to Evolv is better than easy. I mean, the space that these take up compared to the traditional magnetometer space is a huge benefit to our fans. Magnetometers are very slow.
The 12 units that we brought in replaced 100 traditional magnetometers. You're looking at about 70 personnel across agencies at either of our gates. With our traditional mag setup, you needed 150 just for the mags themselves. We can redeploy those assets into the stadium to have the fan experience impacted more on the front end.
The ability to look at the advanced analytics and the shapes and the metal composition to really identify something that could be an alert versus something innocuous like a phone or keys makes all the difference in the world from a fan experience as well as from a safety perspective. 4% of our fans have gotten an alert that need to step aside to secondary screening, which really means 96% of fans come right through to really walk up and walk in with the Evolv. And that's a very visible impact on game day when you're trying to get 60,000 people into this building in about 30 minutes.
Last game, I think, was probably our best Ingress since I've been here. This is season number 5.
Unquestionably, this is the fastest Ingress in the NFL.
Even the staff as well, they were kind of blown away by how simple it was to do training. 3 devices set up, the remaining staff came through as though they were fans. I watched them just kind of getting empowered and getting more confidence by the minute. And then now to see that spill over into the event is great.
The staff are really shown where to look. A lot less things are missed if we know, hey, there's something on the left elbow versus saying there's something on this person.
We have an internal red team, and in our first 2 games, we've hit on all 10, and we've never had that before. Fans have given me the feedback that this is probably the most streamlined fan entry they've ever gone through.
The fastest I've ever been through security.
Piece of cake.
I work in sports, so I've been to a lot of arenas. This was really good.
Right in, no problem.
Seamless, completely.
We had clear expectation of just what it was going to be like when we received these. And then when we actually got on site, it was constant collaboration on what makes sense for our building.
So we can call day or night. We can call during the game if there's any questions, and we get immediate response.
I think having that cloud-based data real time it's invaluable. Our Southwest gate in particular, we had 3 units that were running at about that 4,000 person per hour threshold for a solid 40 minutes. Well, I think as an organization, we always want to push the envelope as it relates to the fan experience. You know, we want to positively impact that, getting everybody in so that they can start spending money, start enjoying the game, and beyond all that, we want a home field advantage. We want everyone in their seats at kickoff. To see how easily we've been successful with it in such a short period of time is very encouraging. You know, when you do make the decision, you're in good hands and you don't have to worry about it.
We're really just now seeing the capabilities to screen safely at a walking pace, which is why this is such a great fit for live sports and such a great fit for football and such a great fit for FirstEnergy Stadium.